Plastpro Planking. So easy to install, even we could do it. Plastpro's pre-finished reversible vinyl planking is easy to install and maintenance-free, perfect for interiors and high-moisture areas. Installing Plastpro's pre-finished reversible vinyl planking is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Apply the pre-grooved base trim to the wall. Step 2. Slip the pre-cut planking into the pre-grooved base trim. Step 3. Complete your planking by applying the pre-grooved decorative chair rail. And that's it. Plastpro. Know the beauty of innovation. To ensure a smooth installation, start at the window or the area of the room that will dictate the height of the chair rail. For your safety, when working around electrical outlets, be sure to turn off the power breaker to avoid electric shock. Start by laying out your tools. These include a fine-tooth saw and miter box, 1-inch finishing nails, a hammer, a ruler, a level, carpenter's combination square, and a panel adhesive such as liquid nails. Measure the length of each wall to determine the measurements for your base. Add exactly 1/8 of an inch of height to each plank to compensate for the pre-grooved chair rail. Next, cut the base to accurate measurements with a miter box or electric handsaw for coped inside corner and mitered outside corner joints. And double check that your bottom base is level. Fill the grout if necessary for an even surface. Apply liquid nails or a similar panel adhesive in a zigzag pattern before installing. Install the pre-cut planking by inserting each piece into the grooved edge. Allow space between the planking for expansion and contraction. Since the Plastpro planking is double-sided, make sure you are consistent throughout your installation. Nailing top-bottom and every 16 to 32 inches will ensure adhesive contact. Measure and fit the last boards carefully. They may have to be trimmed to fit a corner. Cut holes around plumbing to ensure a perfect fit. To complete the job, make sure all planks are applied correctly and level against the wall. Then apply the chair rail on top of the planks after measuring for the correct length. Use caulk to fill in any gaps. Regular cleaning of your planking with a damp cloth will leave it looking just like new. 9 out of 10 contractors that install our planking recommend Plastpro. It's mold resistant, easy to clean, and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Plastpro. Know the beauty of innovation.